Hello, this is John from Sirius Hair Limited, and I'm going to show you a breakdown of an S7N261 Gold hair straightener. Now you know it's the S7N261 by the label, you can just see it there, S7N261. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to take off the covers. They're quite difficult to get off, but if you've got the right tool, it's a long spudger. Just put it in the end, press down, and off it pops all the way along. Okay, and same on the other side. Just in the end there, press down, and then off it pops. So then you've got the two hinge caps that you need to get off, and they're a bit wider than the original GHD hinge caps. So you put your little spudger in there and just pop, off it comes. Okay, put that to one side, and the same again, just in the edge there. Oh, excuse me. And off it comes. Okay, so then you can see the screw on one side and the other side. Now what I do is put my finger on that and push, and that way it's a lot easier to open. So there you go, and once open, take it out, put it on one side, that pops out, put that to one side. You've got screw there and screw there. So undo that one and undo the other one. Okay. So that's the top cover now, it's come off, and you can see inside you've got a black grommet there. That one's already fallen out, that's the white grommet which sits in there. And to one side, take out the black grommet, that sits there. Then if you just poke the hinge, that pops out. I'll explain it all when we put it all back together again, it's fairly easy. Okay, so on the other side, same again. Take that screw out. That screw out. And it's off. Take a little rub bit off. Now the only thing else is the hinge and the cable. And we just pull gently, off it comes. So cable's now left. So the easiest way to disengage the PCB is if you see these two parts here, is if you pull them with your fingers left and right, so that one goes that way, that one goes that way, and then you pull gently on the wires, it'll lift out. There we go, and then you put the body on one side, and on the other side, same, but you've only got one piece. So just push that way, pull gently on the wires, and there it is. So that is the first part of the disassembly of the S7N261 Gold GHD.